Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this. So today's recipe is for samosa stuffing. I have uploaded a couple of recipes for samosa stuffing, but I usually don't boil the potatoes, so this time it's going to be with boiled potatoes. So I have here 5 medium-sized potatoes. Wash your potatoes and boil them. Once they are boiled, make sure that they're cold enough to handle, and then just peel them and break them apart with your hands. There is no need for a masher to mash them or chop them up with a knife or anything. They are very soft, so you can just break them apart with your hands. Set those aside, and here in a pan I added 2 tablespoons of oil, and to that I added 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now we're going to let that sizzle in there for a minute before we add the rest of the ingredients in there. I have a bunch of spices. I have some salt, onion powder, cumin powder. I have some red chilies, chili flakes, coriander. So I have I'm going to have everything listed down below, so don't worry about the measurements. Then I added 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Now I'm going to saute those for a minute or so, and then go ahead and add your spices. We're going to saute that for a minute, and then at this point, if you wanted to add peas, you can add your peas and cook them for a few minutes before you add your potatoes. But I won't be adding any peas, so just add a couple of tablespoons of water so the spices don't burn. I then added 2 tablespoons of chopped mint and a handful of chopped cilantro, and then I added the potatoes. You can see that there are some potatoes that are slightly bigger pieces, so with the help of the spatula you can just chop them up into smaller pieces. Make sure that your flame is low and continue to mix and cook them so all the spices are absorbed by the boiled potatoes. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes or so, but make sure your flame is low, not too high. And that's it. This is all there is to it to make this stuffing, and your stuffing is ready. But keep it aside and cool it down completely before you start stuffing your samosas. So I hope this was helpful. It was a very easy and simple recipe, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please like, share.